Morning, children. Today we are going to learn something interesting. You have learned the rhyme Chubby Chicks in the last session, right? So now you know different parts of your face. Now tell me, children, what are different parts of the face? Yes, they are eyes, nose, mouth, ears. So today we are going to learn about feelings and emotions. Do you know, children, what are feelings and emotions? Our face is like a mirror. Our face can express our feelings like when we are happy, sad, angry, sleepy, excited, surprised, and so on. So let us see what are different types of emotions. Okay, this is what? Happy face. Yes, happy face. This is a happy face. Okay, now when you're happy, children, when your mama cooks your favorite food, at that time you are happy. Yes or no? Okay, now let's see. Next, this is what? Sad face. This is a sad face. And when you're sad, when you ask chocolate from your mama and if she doesn't gives you, you feel sad. Yes, this is your sad face. Surprised. Okay, now what is surprise? Now when your papa brings you your favorite toy, yes, and it's a surprise, so when you see, how will be your reaction? Oh wow, papa, you bought it for me. Yes, so this will be your reaction. So this is what? Surprise. Yes, so this is a surprised face. Oh, scared. Okay, scared. Scared means what? Scared. When you see a cockroach in front of you, you become scared, right? Yes, you will say, Mama, there's a cockroach. You will be scared. Yes, so this is your scared face. Angry. This is what? Angry. Okay. Now angry means what? If you don't listen to your mama, mama will become angry. Yes, mama becomes angry. Yes, so this is a angry face. Excited. Yes, when you become excited, children. Now if suppose papa says tomorrow we are going to go to picnic. Yes, so you will be excited. Yes, you will become excited. Yes, so this is a excited face. Oh, sleepy. Yes, this is what? Sleepy. When you're sleepy, children, when you come to school in the morning, some of you all feel sleepy. Yes, some of you all sleep. Yes, like this. Yes, so this is what? A sleepy face. Okay. Now children, you know the different types of emotions, right? So now let's play a guessing game. I'll express my feelings and emotions on my face. And you would have to guess the feelings and emotions, alright? So now let's see. First will be Come on children, guess. Look at my face. Think. How is my face? Think and say. Yes, this is my happy face. I am looking happy. Okay. Now next, look at my face. Okay. Yes, think children. Guess. Okay. I am sad. I am sad. My face is sad. Okay, now next. Look at my face now. Guess. Yes, I am surprised. I am surprised. Okay. Now next. Look at me. Yes. Guess. Yes, I am scared. I am scared. Yes. Now next. Look at my face and guess. Yes, I am showing my anger. That means I am angry. Okay, this is my angry face. Yes. Now next. Look at me and guess. What am I doing? Yes, I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. So this is my sleepy face. This is my sleepy face. Okay. I hope you all like the game. Now children, I'm going to sing a song on emotions. Listen to the song carefully and you can learn the song at home. Okay, let's start with the song. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, say oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, oh no. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap, take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. Okay, children. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this song. Yes? So now it's an activity time. So this is your activity. What you're supposed to do is you're going to stand in front of the mirror and do the different facial expressions like happy, sad, scared and so on. Okay children? So now we have one more activity, that is emotions play doh. What are we going to do in this activity? That we'll see in the video. Alright? For this activity, we required paper. Any color paper will do. Okay? And ask your mama to cut in circle shape. Then we need to draw a face of a boy with hair and a nose. Then we required dough. You can use clay also if it is available at home. Now let's start with the activity. This is the face on which we are going to make different emotions. Now we are going to take a ball of dough, small ball, and place it on the face for eyes. Okay, in this way. Now take one more piece of dough, small piece, and roll it on your palm this way for your mouth, to make a mouth in this way. Now place it on the face. Yes, keep it curved. It looks smiley. Now this is happy face. This is a happy face. Now let's make sad face. What we are going to do, just remove the mouth and place it upside down. This way. This is a sad face. This is a sad face. In this way, we are going to complete 2 more emotions. See, I made sleepy face and crying face. So in this way, we are going to complete all the faces of emotions, right? So I hope you all enjoyed this activity, and also you're going to try this activity at home. Thank you.